Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the best app that you can use to get a free US phone number or any international number that you want to use for your verifications. So to do this, there are so many apps on Play Store that claim you can get phone numbers, but once you enter there, they'll ask you to pay for the numbers. But this app that I'm about to show you is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. I have a phone number there that I created. I'm using it for verification online. So what you want to do is go to the link in the description and download this free app. The name of the app is Next Plus. It's Next Plus N. So many guys confuse this app for Text Plus. Text Plus you have to pay, but this Next Plus you will not pay anything. What you need to do is just open the app after your download is completed. So let me locate the app. Here is it, Next Plus. I'll click on it, and now as you can see, this is my dashboard. These are my messages. You can make calls. So this is my US phone number right at the top, my Next Plus number, and you can use this for verifications, and that's how you can use this. So as you can see, it's a verification from Google. I use this to create my Google account. This is the verification code that was sent to me. So that's how you can create a free US number. But once you have downloaded the app, just open the app and create a free account. And once you've created a free account, they'll give you a free US phone number that you can use for your online verifications or anything you want to do. And this works for Google, WhatsApp, and any other app that you want to use this for verifications. So thanks for watching. If this video helped, then please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video you'll get notified. Thanks for watching again, and please subscribe to my channel.